It's Christmas, guys!
Oh my god, guys, it's Christmas! Look at what we just got.
The first one.
First one. So we just got 2 parcels from our partner Elgato. So this is not a sponsored video, guys, I'm telling you. We didn't get paid for this, let me tell you. But we just got these new babies. Oh my god.
So big.
So happy. So we're just gonna open it up and see what's inside. Ta-da-da-da-da. What can it be? No. My god. Creepy. No, I'm kidding. So, can you guess what's inside, guys? What do you think?
Open it. Open it.
From Elgato. Do you think I open it?
Yeah.
Okay. I like it's Christmas. Okay. So, ta-da! Oh my god, I'm so excited.
What is it?
Oh, guys, it's the Stream Deck Plus.
Yes.
Oh my god, look at this beauty. Oh, I'm so happy.
Thank you, Elgato.
Thank you, guys. And we got 2. So we've got one for the production room. It's gonna be the black one. And we've got one for the admin
nice.
workstation. It's
This
white.
one is
Oh my
nice,
god,
yeah.
I love it. It looks so beautiful. Honestly, I'm so happy right now.
Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah, it's so cool. I can't wait to open these babies up. Look at that, guys. Have you ever tried those, guys? Let us know in the comment what you think, if you've used them before, like if you have them currently, what do you think of these? Okay, next. Coming up next is this one. Okay.
What is it?
What is it?
What do you think?
Can you guess? I know what it is. I mean, you know. I already know. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, wait, sorry. Okay. 3 hours
Danger.
later. 3 hours later. Oh my god, it's that.
Oh,
Wait.
yes.
Oh my god, guys. Yes. Oh,
Let me help you.
thank you. A brand new ring light.
Yes.
Oh my god, it looks so cool. I can't wait
Yeah,
to
because
use it.
we had one, but this one is not working properly, so
Yeah. It's really old and
Yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah.
like
not the same quality,
flashing, like the buttons
This one-
are like...
This is quality, guys.
This is quality, guys. Yes. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh my god, it's damaged.
Ah.
I'm sure it's fine inside. I'm sure it's fine
Come on.
inside.
Come on.
Oh my god. Thank you, Elgato. Really appreciate it, guys. Honestly, can't wait to get these things to work. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
open it.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah,
okay,
open it.
I was just waiting for the green light. Okay, cool. So, let me open that one first. I'll open mine. I'm gonna use it the most. So, okay, so this one will go on my workstation over there for the admin stuff and everything. Oh wow, look at that. So cool. So you have this little box, maybe cables inside. I'll check that out later. I'm too excited to this one. Oh my god, I love it. It looks so cool, guys.
Wow.
I've seen so many things that you can do with this baby.
Wow.
Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, it's bigger.
Yeah, it's way
it's
bigger
way
than the
bigger,
other
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100%. You can compress straight away.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. Oh
Oh,
yes.
This one looks so tiny now next to it. And even it's not the same. Like this one, is like
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
remove it, but not that one. And has the little button. Yes, look at this. You have a screen here. I can't wait. Then I'll plug it. Then next time I'll show you how I use it. No, yeah, it looks so cool, man. I'm so happy.
What's
And
inside?
these, so what's inside? Let's do unboxing. Well, oh well, that's it. The paper,
Are you sure?
yeah, no, that's
yeah.
it. No, I guess the cable, they may be down here. Okay, I don't want to ruin the box, so I'm just gonna do it later. Oh yeah, it's here. Ooh, the cord.
Whoa.
Yeah, very good quality.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I really like it. I think that's everything. Well, that's everything.
Open this
That's
one.
all you need. Okay. Let's do it. And with the kitchen knife. Okay, yes. And that one for the music production studio. Ta-da. So papers. And then, oh yes.
Wow.
Wow, it looks super cool in black as well. I really like it. Ta-da!
Ooh, ooh.
I get it. Very funny. Oh my god, no. They look
so cool.
really beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait. It's gonna be so good. Yeah. Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Let us know what you
Yeah, we'll
think.
try it in another video.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm super happy. Oh, there's a pad here as well. So it like kind of
Yeah,
like
yeah.
doesn't slip on your desk.
Okay.
Okay. Very nice, very nice.
Let's open the light.
Okay, let's open it. Wait, you kidding me? And now... Oh, okay. Oh, I was already open. So let me put that down. There's another one here. Oh, already open. Oh, ta-da! Instruction panel. Ta-da! Oh my god. Oh, I really like that. And now, okay, let me just be really careful. Ooh, it's really slim. Like thin. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
yeah. Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
So
this is it,
good.
guys. This is quality.
Ah, yes.
Look,
It's way, I think
yeah,
it's way
yeah,
bigger
yeah.
than the other one that we
Yeah.
have. Yeah.
We have a cheap one here, and
Not a-
here
not a
a
great-
quality one.
Oh my god, it's like not double the size, but
Yeah.
it's like an inch.
You can see
Wider.
it's way better.
Yeah. And it's really like, see? It's not that thick.
Yeah.
It's really cool. You can plug it to the wall. Ta-da! No, I know it's not on this side. No, yeah, my god, it's really cool. It's really light as well. Oh, so good. And I think, okay, I'm gonna just put that one back here. Instructions. And, yes. Even these. You put it there. Yeah.
yes.
See?
Oh, it's
Yeah.
perfect. Yeah.
You like
oh,
it?
yeah.
You like
Oh,
it
it's
already?
perfect.
Man, there's all kinds of like plugs and everything. They thought about everything.
Oh yeah, you can travel with this thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look
Europe.
at that. So cool. That's ours. Yeah, no, well, honestly, amazing.
Oh yeah, really cool.
Oh, and if one of you is using this one too, let us know what you think about it.
Mm.
We'll definitely let you know what we think about it when we start using it. No, it's really amazing. It is. Oh, and it's just plugs there. My god, thank you. And it goes like, okay, it's like 74 centimeters max height and 44 minimum. That's what I wanted to see. I like this point. Like I'm your teacher. So this morning we're gonna do this. No, well, thanks Elgato, honestly.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. Really appreciate it and can't wait to use all of these good gears.
In the next video.
Yeah, and in the next video we'll show you how we use it
Yeah,
and how it's like super useful
Yeah.
in an everyday like work.
In the radio, yeah.
Yeah, in the radio. Like this one, the one that we've like shown you, that one, we use it all the time already. So I can't wait to have the same, even better, in the two other like workstations. So yes, thank you guys for following this, and
See you next time.
see you next time. Bye.
Bye.